Hey everybody, I am the Creative Lady, and in today's video I am going to do a t-shirt DIY. April 4th, 2018 is going to mark the 50th anniversary of the assassination of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King that happened at the Lorraine Motel in Memphis, Tennessee. I have to work, and everyone at work has been asked to wear black, and I was already going to wear black anyway, and I had already decided that I was going to DIY a t-shirt. So I'm going to show you what I want to create. I stopped by Hobby Lobby after work to pick up a new long sleeve shirt because even though it's springtime, it's a little cool, so I got a long sleeved t-shirt. And I got some iron-on letters. Even though I have a Cricut, I could have made it. I didn't want any problems. So I got some bedazzled or blinged out letters. I got love, and it's blinged out, still in the packaging. And then I've got some letters. So I'm hoping to put, I think on the front, I wanted to say love. I wanted to say love wins. I'm gonna have that down here, and on the back I wanted to say MLK, and I want the MLK 50. So hopefully I can get this old iron heated up. I do have a press that I will put it on later, but for now I'm just gonna open up the letters, place everything, and press it on to the t-shirt. I'll be right back. I'm going to try to center this as best as I can. I don't want it to be too close to the neck, but I don't want it to be too far down either. Okay, y'all, I think I've got it pretty much centered the way that I want it, and the letters are, I think I'll show you an insert of the brand again of this particular letter, and the brand of the blinged out letter is by Designs, and again I got this at Hobby Lobby, so you just go down the aisle where they have the iron-on lettering, things of that nature. Now it's a little hard to peel these off because they have like this protective covering and then the sticky back, but I think I got everything lined up the way that I want. Make sure that you follow the directions because each of these requires different ironing methods, so I have to be careful when I do these as opposed to these right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get something to protect it, probably just a white napkin because it's cloth and it's cotton, but there's a protective layer of paper behind it, so before you iron these particular ones on, you just have to peel off the backing. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the back, and I'll be right back. So here is the initial love wins part, and this has to cool completely before I can peel it off. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get started on the back side and call it a night. So here is the particular brand of lettering for the numbers. I bought the numbers 5 and 0. So I'm going to go ahead and line these up. I've already applied the initial placement of the MLK, and then now I'm going to go ahead and put the 50 down below. So the paper has a little bit of a glare on it, so I'm going to go ahead and do one at a time. So this has had a chance to cool, and I'm hoping that everything goes well. I want to start at this corner here. Okay, just peel carefully. Okay, y'all, I've got the t-shirt ready to wear. I've got Love Wins on the front side, and on the back I've got MLK 50 on the back. And I'm going to put it on the mannequin because it is late. I'm ready for bed. So you'll see it on my Instagram later. Follow me at Nebulicious, and I'll show you the entire shirt later today at this point. Okay, y'all, this is the t-shirt, and I will be back soon with additional DIY videos. So if you like my content, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of the creative family, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.